We've all heard people say, the best time to buy a property was yesterday.
Luke Moroney, Search Party Property.
Property investment is the easiest way to financial freedom. 90% of millionaires built their wealth from property. Or maybe you've just finished reading Rich Dad Poor Dad and decided to escape the rat race to build your property empire. Whichever it is, you believe that property investing is going to change your life. You'll have more options. Maybe early retirement, maybe undertaking that business venture. Property investing can make you financially successful. However, we all know someone who overcapitalized and had to downgrade their lifestyle, forced to sell when the market was down, or bought a property in a one-trick pony town like mining and tourism. So, what can go wrong? The trial and error approach is what I did when first investing in property. I paid too much and waited far too long for the property to appreciate. If you know me, sitting idle is not my thing, so I brought my energy and focus to property investing. This was the beginning of Search Party Property. We are an end-to-end buyer's agent. Our 5-step approach includes your property investing strategy, the property search and selection process, negotiation, buy and settlement, setting up your team to manage and maintain your investment, and ongoing support.
We help investors build property portfolios that work for them, for now and into the future.
The best part of what we do is seeing people transform their lives through property investing.